The three careers that I chose to go into depth on are a lawyer, forensic psychologist, and crime prevention specialist. Those three intrigued me the most, and they correspond with my major, criminal justice, the best. See if I can, next slide, I don't know how to work this. Okay, there we go. So for lawyer, it's pretty basic. The growth is going up 10%. The annual wage is $127,000. What you need for this type of job is 4 years at college and 3 years of law. It can be any law school that's not too specific. But there's different lawyers for different types of things. Like you can be an environmental lawyer, a family lawyer, all types of lawyers. You can defend criminals. It's pretty wide of what you want to do. It's a 40-hour work week. So you need communication skills. You interpret laws, so you need to know the laws really well. You need to be up to date on all the laws and all the regulations and rules. It's basically like a need-to-know type of job. You need to know everything. My next job that I did is forensic psychologist. This one is a very interesting one to me. So it's going up 14% through 2026. So the job is growing. The annual wages is $81,000. You need a degree in psychology. You also might need like a doctorate. But basically, forensic psychologist works with law enforcement, courts, lawyers. Basically, you're assessing mental fitness of subjects. So you analyze criminal behavior, or you can serve as jury consults. This type of job determines a person's competency to stand trial. Basically, if they're unfit for trial, then that's where you come in and you let them know. You can provide counsel to victims or witnesses to a crime and consult attorneys on child custody cases. Criminal justice has like a wide variety. Like you can do anything with a criminal justice degree. With this one, you need to have empathy, you need to be open-minded, and you need to work as a team because you need to communicate with lawyers, judges, juries. You need to be able to communicate whether a person is competent or not. Empathy, open-minded, work as a team. Yeah. And then for my crime prevention specialist, this is going up 3% through 2023. So it's not growing nearly as fast as like a lawyer or the psychologist. The annual wage is $64,000. You need 4 years in college and a criminal justice degree. This is violence prevention. So you go to different communities and you come up with solutions to help different crime prevention for that specific community and what they kind of want. So you need to be able to communicate with law enforcement in that town or city and be able to talk to the community. So you need public speaking skills. Basically a lot of communication with criminal justice degrees. But yeah, those are my 3 top jobs that I want to kind of dig more into and see if I really want to go into them.